Some of them over there and don't get regularized. It's best not to get deported.
And millions of criminal aliens back to the places from which they came.
It's a great day for America. He said exactly what the American people.
President Donald Trump's second term, ICE says it has made 538 arrests and detained 373 undocumented immigrants, and a Jamaican citizen facing child pornography charges and a
Why no? No, people left Jamaica and can't come back. Why they can't come back? Because they're not straight. And for them see them kind of beauty, a yard, and I want to afford back, but them can't afford back. And anytime them jump on the plane and reach the airport, last time they might go back on a plane. Then, and we are making them video about deportation so the people can wise up themselves and see the right process so them can get straight in the people in place. And stop running up in the people in place like some.
A Jamaican woman less than 48 hours from deportation says she traveled to Canada in 2012, marrying a Canadian citizen. She admits she overstayed the 6-month visa that initially led her in the country.
The only thing I did wrong was I overstayed my time. That was all I did wrong. I complied with everything that they asked me to.
The deportation process started
to call attention to how serious this issue is and to get people in the city, community, folks who may not know the story, to get involved.
While Brahm admits to the expired visa, she says she did take steps to stay here legally.
I met a person that told me that she's a CBSA officer, and I paid her $6,000. $6,000 I paid her, and she told me that she would look about my papers.
This is currently investigating the alleged fraud. CBSA confirms for City News that they are indeed investigating reports of fraud involving 2 women of West Indian descent. The agency says it's received several complaints and are asking potential victims to contact them. Have since been filed, but the CBSA tells us they still intend to send her back to Jamaica.
When you get to the things straight, because when you see beauty a yard and the vibration a yard, and you can't get peace out because when you're straight, when you run around illegal like people in place. See? And if you want to sell out to no family and friend, you know family, some family and friend, you can't trust them. No family mash up, no family life.
I don't even know where to begin. When I tell you, people wicked. People wicked. And sometimes you might think so.
Mate.
What you say?
Yeah, nice Corvette, really nice.
Is that Corvette, nice
You're
Corvette?
artist, bega look, no?
So you know,
artist, bega look.
Oh, you know say artist?
Because I've seen a couple of your videos, you look like Keep Rich. You are Keep Rich! Bust me! Yeah, my nigga. Please Keep Rich, bust me. I saw you the other night, you know. I saw you last night, you know, by the petrol station, you know.
Yeah.
But I didn't know it was you. Oh. Come on, Keep Rich, man. Keep Rich.
Yeah, best
up.
A stranger wicked, but sometimes I own one family. Ain't no my own fault in a life. I live for family too much. I love family too much. I left and go to America for 6.5 years. When I left, I never planned. I left, I never leave with the intention not to come back. I come back. I went to, for 2 weeks for come back for look my daughter visa, because guess what? I mess up my visa. I never want to revoke it. However, I stay in America. I have all of my ups and downs. I start from the floor. And I work my way up. My true partner up here, I save. I had to save the money in my sister's account because she had to take care of my daughter. I pay rent for over the 6 years. I buy food. I ensure them have clothes. When I birthday, I send the biggest clothes plus money. I do everything. Fast forward to that, last year was one of my roughest years, because guess what? My patient was put into nursing home and I lost my job and I did hard to get that job. I just one day, there's someone 2 days. However, I get that job in October. I work 7 12-hour shift, 7 days a week, just to see if I could make the trip to come see my daughter. Because my daughter said, Mommy, the greatest wish I know that I have to see you for Christmas. I'm a one that for happen. I'm a work 12-hour shifts, 7 days a week to come to Jamaica. Come here, said me buy up things to my family, them everybody two suit with this, everything to come for them. Come here, said even if me now have no money to come to Jamaica, me have $1 million odd plus US in my account at Jamaica. I asked my sister in April to send me a bank statement, and she said it takes so long. And I said, no, I don't think my sister would have spent half my money. I don't think so. She give me the bank statement with $1 million plus US in the account. So I say, yes, but I have the money to come down. And would you believe me, so my sister made me come to Jamaica. And when I asked her to draw 100,000, give me, she could have found a 95 and out of the US account, she change it out and give me. Me come to Jamaica, no money, me $1 million and me US thing clean sweep out of my account. My sister takes me one long text for you, so I go to Jamaica, oh, she's sorry, she this and that and that. And the taboo says she knows she me will take care of her daughter. And I act like say she want to kill herself and I play a mind game for me. And I pay a mind game for me. And I got to make me know, so from 2021, she leave out from my account and bear in mind, me pay rent, me buy food, me do everything, me not send nothing come to Jamaica, what me not send nothing for me that, what me not send for my sister.
No friend, mash up, no friend life. You know that. You know that too. And you can't trust people again so easy and like one time.
Me not trust none of them boy, the road boy. Member.
But enough you can deal with things for yourself, rely upon yourself.
I never know me that live for say Jamaican people now defend righteousness. Them turn away from righteousness. Right now, me see the right become wrong and the wrong become right.
Because if you don't rely upon yourself and always rely upon people, there's expectation and failure if you're expecting out of yourself. So you say all of this right now, no for no want peace out and can't get peace out because you not straighten the people in place. You run off and give up and sell out Jamaica. And right now, Donald Trump in the office. See? And any game can play. Any little petty crime when you commit, any little thing when you do, when you can in an argument with people, anything at all you do, we're in a problem right now. We're not glorify if you said this will happen, but we want to get on the thing straight. Just come out of the spotlight. Every Jamaican come out of the spotlight and this deportation thing. Let it go. Like some other people and other that. See? So one them know so yo, when you run off, seek the right way to get your thing up to date. Because the people them will catch up on you one night time. Anytime light shine upon you, you know. Because enough people in that.
For immigration violations was among 29 deportees who arrived in Kingston, Jamaica on Wednesday.
Right now, and anytime light shine upon them in a problem. Remember me telling you that. So all them clip I want to see a play and video we are create about deportation. It's with the people and wise up.
He said the man left Jamaica when he was a toddler.
He left there at 5, you know. And his mother died over there, and his grandmother is very shaky, you know. As what I say about other deportees, sometimes it's not all deportees are bad. They sometimes hide their identification. So when the cops catch them now, they don't know what country they are from. And they are over there working until one day the Home Office comes down on them. Some of them over there don't get regularized. It's best not to get deported.
Smart up, looking on yourself and try to find the right way or else come back on the yard. And before you come back on the yard, make sure you not set things in place. Make sure someone build up this and have business and then things. And Jamaica 10 times harder already, opportunity to there. You have to know that. Wise up and make the right choice them in the people in place. Then Jamaica nice. You see beauty here, the people are nice at Jamaica, you know, and the system are nice, you know. But the environment, the natural beauty of life, like, is nice. A paradise, I tell you. In a country area, in a city area, it all depends on where you're there. The I say, but Jamaica a beauty, man. The breeze are blow cool and calm right now in the morning, feel nice. And all the who run off and can't come back and people, I can't get this again. So if you're not straight, when you can always get piece of this, come full dry piece of this once again, so you're up to date on that thing. And stop hiding in the dark in the people in the country. And get straight. So you can come back a yard and them thing. See? You see, one time when I get deported, one time I get deported already. It mentally affect them, you know. And enough people that care about them and them family and everybody give up on them, you know. And I remember them people here. See? And that we say, because when then like people in place and when you straight and do certain good thing and you caught up on you and you get deported, nobody now feel sorry for you. Serious thing, because when you get the opportunity, you live in like people in place, you stay there, and when you find themselves in some hot water. But the ones who find themselves in hot water and get deported, we have to remember them because everybody deserves a second chance. So now beat up nobody will get deported the same way. It's a part of life and one the stigma move off for them names, so you watch out. You get the chance to make life better and you lose it. Alright, you get back a chance to build yourself again. So start all over again and do the right thing. So if the opportunity forward for you to go over or go overseas, you can do the right thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we now start making video and we now start highlight certain things to the people. You can know the deportation things and seriously show people life and disconnect people. To affect people greatly, mentally, financially, spiritually, all. Yeah? So consider them, check for them, and all who know straight when you get straight. Because it's a chunk, I'm gonna put a lock on him gate. Alright? Like and subscribe, leave your thoughts. And give thanks to everyone who show love.